The 1, 2, 3.
I love when Usain Bolt catch back this 100 meter, get back this, and the 200 meter. That was very nice.
To see her go leave from third going on top and hear the management team and our Jamaican crowd go, because I was looking, when I look at you, them screaming and so forth, so that was an exciting feeling for me.
Definitely my favorite Olympic moment would be the 1, 2, 3 that we got in the 200 men.
4x1 with the men. I was expecting a world record.
This past summer, Jamaican athletes stamped their mark on the track in London. And whether it was record-breaking performances, clean sweeps or unexpected medals, loyal fans and even the Olympians themselves have their standout moments. Recently, Jamaicans came together to say thanks for all of 5 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals and a host of other memorable performances in London.
It's a great time for us. We're celebrating 50 years of independence. It is also Heroes Weekend, so everything coincides well, and we're very grateful and just going to continue to celebrate our accomplishment in London. Also look forward to continue to represent with dignity and pride.
I feel honored to be real, because I mean, you do what you have to do, you do your best out there, and it just really showing that people really appreciate what you're doing,
I'm on the mission. A Thanksgiving service at the East Queen Street Baptist Church kicked off a 4-pronged celebratory period, which offered the government and public a chance to interact with the athletes and share their good wishes.
I love my athlete, I want to see greater things done. I like how the country are uplift.
Continue doing what you're doing, continue to work hard, continue to trust God, and stay focused.
The church service paved the way for a cocktail reception at Jamaica House, where the athletes were feted with good food, music, and company.
We love you. We appreciate you. We thank God for you. We pray that you will long continue to hold the record for being the most dazzling of athletic stars ever to shine on this planet.
McKinley second.
Then the celebrations took a step back in time to 1948, to an individual who was instrumental in giving the country its first set of Olympic medals, the Honorable Herbert McKinley. In an effort to pay tribute to his pioneering work, a new headstone was unveiled at his burial site in the National Heroes Park on October 15. The festivities hit a crescendo that same night at an event dubbed Jamaica's Musical History, honoring our Olympic journey, when music from then and now punctuated a ceremony in which our stars from London and their coaching staff received tangible rewards.
This generation of sportsmen and women, our Olympians, demonstrated to the world that there's nothing that can stop a Jamaican when they are determined to succeed. And we know we can never ever give you any reward that is as great as what you have done for your country.
It's a good feeling, knowing that we can get, recognition the way we do, because we work hard, and just hearing it say congrats or keep going can make a lot of difference.
It's a wonderful, wonderful feeling now, because just moving with the government and the able-bodied athletes, it's a wonderful feeling to be a part of everything they are in.
Big up all the athletes, them great work,
I would like them to continue the road, and for the young ones that are coming up to mold them, that couple years down the line will still be the champion. Although we lick, but we are Talawa.
But of course, all eyes will be set on the next World Championships, Moscow 2013. We're going to take it to them. After all, it's Jamaica to the world.